Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact MrBeast or any YouTubers. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up your web browser and go to youtube.com and then just go to MrBeast channel or any other YouTuber you want to contact. Alright, so I'm going to click onto his channel here, and now from here, under his name, pause this video, and under here we want to click onto where it says more under his name. And now we're going to get to his about section. From here, scroll down, and now under channel details, go ahead and click on view email address, and that's going to reveal his email address where you can contact him. And like I said, this works for any YouTuber if they've got their email address put into their channel details. Some YouTubers hide it. All right, so from here I'm going to click on that and then click on I'm not a robot. We're going to get past the captcha. So I'm just going to do this. It should redirect me back. Now I'm going to hit submit, and then his email address should come up here.